Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi the Math Tutor. Now I'm explaining about rational numbers between two rational numbers. Insert two rational numbers between 2 and 3. So we are inserting the two rational numbers between these 2 and 3. So why? Because 2 is also a rational number and 3 also is a rational number. So we are using the one formula, that is a plus b by 2. So this is called mean method. So by using the mean method, we are going to find the rational numbers between the given numbers. So this is you should take it as a and you can take it as b. Now I'm taking 2 and 3 first time. So let 2 plus 3 by 2, then you will get 5 by 2. So you will get here 5 by 2 is the first number. Next number, in the next question you will get one rational number. We need one more rational number. So to get one more rational number, you should take this is a and you can take it is as b, or you can take it is as a, or you can take this b. If you are taking this a and b, you will get here. If I'm taking a and b here, I'm getting here. So I'm taking a is equal to 5 by 2 plus I'm taking b is equal to 3. So I will get the rational number here by 2. That is equal to, denominator is 1. So 2 1s are 2, 5 plus 1 2s are 3 2s are 6. So this is by 2. That is equal to 5 plus 6 11 by 2, and this is 2 by 1. So you should write in reciprocal. 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. The answer is 11 by 4. So that 11 by 4 is an answer. So if they will ask the 2 or 3 rational numbers between the two given numbers, then we can easily use the main method. Sometimes they will ask the 10, 15 like that. Then that time we can use the other method. I will explaining now that method. Next I'm explaining inserting the rational numbers between two numbers, but they're asking here 20 rational numbers. So is it possible to use the mean method? No, we can't use the mean method to find the 20 rational numbers between the given numbers. So here we are using alternate method. Let's see what is this method. Generally the given question is 5 by 10 and 9 by 10. In between these, actually we will get 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10. Only we will get 3 only. So but they're asking the 20. So simply here 5 by 10 and 9 by 10, then this you should convert into equivalent fractions. I mean you should multiply 2s or 2s, then 2s or 2s, check which will get 5 10 to the 20, 5 to the 10. Here 10 to the 20, 9 to the 18. Here also you will get only how many you will get here, 11 to 17 you will get. So here also not getting 20. So again you can multiply with again 3s or you can take 2 also. So you can go on like this. So 22 is 40, 18 to the 36, then 22 is 40, 10 to the 20. See here you will get only 16 only you will get 20 to 36. Again you will go with the again multiplication, 40, 36 by 40 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Otherwise you can directly take 3 3 4 4 also you can take. That is our wish. That is 80, that is 80, that is 40, that is 72. Then you will get here more than 20. So that is 40 by 80, that is next to 41 by 80, next less than 42 by 80, so on, less than 72 by 80 is the answer. Now I'm inserting the 5 rational numbers between 3 and 0. Here this is minus 3 and 0. So obviously here we have 0 by 1, 1 by 1. So you directly can take, here they're asking the 5, you should take 10. That is our wish. You can take 2 or 3 or 10, that is your wish. Then 1 tens are 1 tens are. In the previous problem I explained you with only 2 2 2. If you want, take more, take other number also like 4 or 5 3 like that. So you will get minus 30 by 10, you will get here 0 by 10. Then you will get more than 5, that is minus 29 by 10, minus 28 by 10, so on. Then you will get minus 30 by 10, less than minus 29 by 10, less than minus 28 by 10, so on, less than 0 by 10. This is an answer. Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. Now we are going to solve the problems in exercise 1.2. The first question is represent on the number line. Already I explained you this representing this number line in the previous videos. So here I will explain you one problem. Remaining two problems you can try yourself. So 9 by 7, the first one is 9 by 7. It is an improper fraction, so it should be lie between after 1. So first of all, you should locate this 9 by 7 where you will get. So convert this, convert into mixed fraction. So 7 times 1 it will go and remainder will become 2. So it will be lie between 0, it will lie between 1 and 2. So draw the number line and locate here 0, 1, and we are focusing between 1 and 2. So here denominator is 7, so divide into 7 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you should give this is 0 by 7, this is 7 by 7, this is 7 by 7 is nothing but is 1, this is 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 10 by 7, 11 by 7, 12 by 7, 13 by 7, this is 14 by 7. So you will get here, they're asking 9 by 7, so you will get location here. Next question, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. So here 5 by 6 which are less than 5 by 6 is 4 by 6, the next is 3 by 6, next is 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6. This is an answer. Next question, find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. So we can't use the mean method to find 12 rational numbers, so we can use the alternate method, that is minus 1 and 2 is the given. So you should take 1 and 1, convert this into first find the equivalent fractions of this minus 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. So you should multiply with the 10, or then this is, you will get 10 by minus 10 by 10, this you will get 20 by 10. So you will get here more than 12 you will get, that is the answer. So minus 10 by 10 less than 0 by 10 less than 1 by 10 less than, so on up to 20 by less than. Next question, find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. They are asking only one rational number, so you can directly use the mean method, that is a plus b by 2. Here a value is 2 by 3, this is b value is 3 by 4. Then you will get 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 by 2. First of all, simplify these two fractions, that LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. You will get 3 times 4 is so numerator should multiply with the 4, and 2 4 the 8, then 4 times 3 is then 3 times 3 is 9. That answer is again by denominator is 2 is as it is there. Then you will get 8 plus 9 means 17 by 12, and denominator is 2, so you should write down reciprocal of this one. So you will get 17 by 12 into 1 by 2. So 2 means 2 by 1. Again you should write the reciprocal when you are doing the division. Then 17 by 12 to the 24 is the answer. Next you can solve this question, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Thank you for watching my video.